Ignited Ink Writing is a channel dedicated to helping writers hone their skills so that they can transform their writing into the kind that lingers with readers. Because writing that lingers gets remembered and recommended to others. I'm Berve, editor and writer. In this channel, you'll find videos that cover the various aspects of writing, such as point of view, character development, world building, and other aspects of the craft. I try to dive deeper into these subjects. I don't just cover what they are, but how you can apply them and their pros and their cons. I also help authors learn to read like a writer. I do this by helping them see what's working well in successful novels. I think it's easy to point out what's not working in something, but it's more challenging to articulate what is working. I also cover the writing mechanics I see a lot of authors struggling with as a copy editor. This includes everything from colons and semicolons to italics. All of this is designed to help you improve your writing so that you can reach more readers. That's what I want for all of my viewers. If you're wondering what's floating behind me, those are origami dragons. I personally love writing fantasy and I love folding origami, so I thought I'd share a little bit of me with you. Keep me in mind when you're ready for an editor for your own piece. You can find out more about me at www.ignitedinkwriting.com. Good luck igniting your ink.